Hey, this is Dr. Erik. Welcome back to my YouTube neighborhood. Today I wanted to talk about the importance of maximizing your time when it comes to recovery. That's the take home of today's message. What we're looking at is deliberate practice, deliberate mindset, like we talked about in the previous video, whenever you're doing anything that is mobility or therapeutic related. But now today we're expanding upon that by making it an efficient use of your time. So oftentimes people will say, I don't have time to foam roll, I don't have time to stretch, I don't have time to do that thing that's necessary for me to take care of my body, so I'm just going to continue to kind of eke through life dealing with that pain, and you're wasting your time, frankly. One of the things that I like to impress upon people is whenever you have what you determine to be your downtime, whether you're watching television, maybe you're scrolling on your phone, you're doing something that's kind of busy work but it's really not essential, that is the perfect time to do some sort of recovery or some sort of mobility work. So for example, if I'm watching television at the end of the day, I know I'm going to be sitting down watching the TV that's right in front of me, so why not get off the couch and I can choose to use that time to do some sort of stretching, some sort of foam rolling, some sort of ankle mobility work, whatever tends to be sore for me, whatever you need to focus on, that's the perfect time to use that. You know, if you happen to be on your phone or you're listening to a podcast or even some music, you're having downtime, that is also the perfect time to use that. If you're someone who has time at work, right, there's a lot of seated exercises that you can do or standing exercises using props around work, such as a doorway to stretch out the upper pecs, for example. You know, you can do seated exercises as well. So really kind of look at your environment and to see if there's anything that you can do that doesn't make you getting on the floor if it's dirty or anything like that, but you have a tremendous opportunity to take non-essential time where you're not really busy but you're doing busybody things and use that to sneak in a little bit of recovery and mobility that's going to help you throughout the day and deal with whatever that nagging injury is, so that you can continue to improve and do things that really matter the most, as opposed to not being able to do them because you're in pain. So I think that's something pretty cool. Give it a try. Look around your work, look around your home, and see how much extra free time you can find and add in that extra mobility work. All right, talk to you soon.